Hey guys, Peter Holtz here, CPA. Hey, I just want to give you a quick update on the federal government shutdown and the impact to the Internal Revenue Service due to the federal government shutdown. Um, the IRS has released some information on this. I know you don't hear it on the news, but only 12.5% of the people who are employed by the IRS are currently working, and the functions that are currently shut down are service center processing after the point of batching. So, like data transcription, error resolution, unpostables, things like that they normally process are shut down. I mean, if you electronically file something, it'll still be processed, okay? Processing of non-disaster relief transcripts, income verification express service is not happening. So if you're trying to get a loan and want the IRS to verify income, it's not going to happen, okay? They're just not going to process. Processing of 1040X amended returns is also not going to happen. Most headquarters and administrative functions not related to the safety of life and protection of government property or your property are not going to happen. Audit functions are shut down, examination returns are shut down, and the processing of non-electric tax returns that do not include remittances are also shut down. If you're putting a check with it, the tax return will be processed. If there's no check going with it, they're not going to process. So let's say you were planning to amend your tax return and get a refund. It's not going to be processed during the shutdown. Non-automated collections, meaning if somebody was coming after you for collections that are not automated, the IRS has two collections process, the ACS, Automated Collection Service, and the standard process where they come knocking at your door and stuff like that. All the collectors are off. IRS Legal Counsel, Office of General Counsel in the IRS is shut down. So if you have any court cases pending or about to be pending or negotiating with the IRS, and the Office of General Counsel closed, okay? Taxpayer services such as responding to questions. They're not going to answer the phone. And if you call them right now, they'll tell you nobody's available. We'll keep trying, or we'll let you know when people become available. They won't let you know. You just got to wait for the government to come back up. Obviously, things are going to be tough, I think, and no one knows right now, and the IRS hasn't told us what the impact is going to be to the current filing season, which should start in the next couple of weeks. Other thing, information systems functions are pretty much all shut down, with the exception of that's necessary to maintain and prevent data loss. Although the IRS systems in the past have been very good at giving away your data because they're legacy systems and pretty porous. That's just some sarcasm on my part. Sorry about that, but it is what it is. Planning, research, and training development activities are also shut down. So that's kind of a brief synopsis. I know it's a little bit long. It's almost 3 minutes, but kind of a brief synopsis on what's going on with the Internal Revenue Service during the government shutdown. So we'll wait and see if there's a compromise coming soon. Thanks. Bye.